Welcome to Let's Talk About Data. In this project, we'll build a resume parser using Python and NLP techniques. You'll learn how to extract skills, experience, education, and contact info from unstructured resume files, just like the ones used by real companies. We'll use sample PDF resumes. You can download resume templates from Overleaf CV templates, Canva. Your own for testing. Create a folder named resume/ and place your test resumes in PDF format. Setting up the environment. Resume file format overview. We'll use PDF Miner to extract text content from resumes. Unlike Word documents, PDFs require low-level parsing. Extracting text from PDFs using PDF Miner. Cleaning and pre-processing text. Extracting name, email, phone. For name, we use Spacey. Custom skill matching from Resume. Extracting education and degrees. Extracting work experience snippets. Find output dictionary. Automating Resume folder parsing. Real-world use. Integrate with ATS, applicant tracking system. Use named entity recognition for company names and job titles. Add word/docx support using docx to text. Enhance skills extraction using embeddings or spacii patterns. That's complete Resume Parser project using Python and NLP. You now have a real-world tool that can be used in recruitment, HR analytics, or even freelance automation work. Next week, Project 7, Real-Time Weather Forecast App using API plus Python plus Dash. Like, share, and subscribe to Let's Talk About Data for more hands-on projects every week.